How are tennis crowd noise and psychological factors quantified in predictive models? Imagine sitting courtside at a tennis match and feeling the roar of the crowd or hearing a player's grunt. How do analysts turn these sounds and feelings into numbers that help predict match results? Well, it all starts with capturing audio data from matches. Using high-quality microphones placed around the court, researchers record every sound, from ball impacts to crowd reactions and player noises. Then, they use special software to analyze these recordings. This software can tell the difference between applause, cheers, or boos, and sounds like player grunts or shouts. These sounds are classified using machine learning algorithms like decision trees or support vector machines. These tools learn to recognize patterns, such as sharp sounds from ball hits versus background noise. Once classified, the data can tell us how loud the crowd was during key moments, or how often players made noises that might signal stress or focus. Psychological factors are a bit trickier because they are not directly measurable. Instead, analysts look for behavioral clues. For example, if a player starts to grunt more during high-pressure points, that can be a sign of psychological stress. Researchers also observe how players react to crowd noise. Do they seem distracted or more focused? These reactions are measured through changes in performance statistics like shot accuracy, serve speed, or rally length after certain auditory cues. Studies have shown that grunting can affect opponents' ability to predict where the ball will go, which impacts their performance. In predictive models, all these audio and behavioral features are combined with traditional match data like player rankings, previous wins, and head-to-head records. Using statistical methods like regression analysis or neural networks, analysts can see how much crowd noise or psychological signals influence the outcome. For example, a neural network might find that increased crowd noise correlates with a higher chance of a player making errors, especially if combined with signs of stress like frequent grunting. These models can then be used to improve live predictions or to understand how mental and environmental factors shape match results. Practically, this means coaches can use real-time audio cues to gauge when a player is under psychological pressure. Betting companies can refine their odds by including crowd and psychological data. And overall, these methods help turn the intangible feelings and sounds of a tennis match into concrete data points that improve our understanding of the game. By combining advanced data collection, machine learning, and statistical analysis, analysts can better understand how crowd noise and psychological factors influence tennis matches in a measurable way.